So for example, we have covered WAP on our channel, and as you can see, this guy is just looking for somebody to set up his WAP, and he's paying, or the budget that he's willing to spend is between $100 to $300 in order for that to get done. So yo, what is up guys, this is Hadi from HadiTech, back with another video. In today's video guys, we're going to be showing you one of the best websites to actually earn money. If you are interested in doing little tasks and earning from those tasks in order to actually invest it in, I don't know, like a project of your own or something that will actually make you big bucks later on, then probably this is the perfect website that you are looking for. This is a microjob slash freelancing website, and trust me, you can earn money doing little work. So before we jump into this video, kindly drop a like, comment down below if you have any questions, and make sure to check out our other videos where we show you how to build an online business. The last time we showed you how to create recipe websites, and we showed you how to actually get that approved on AdSense and make money from it. So if you are interested, then go back and watch those videos. And with that out of the way, kindly do the usual YouTube stuff, and let's just start with our video. So the link to Zeerk will be in the description down below. Zeerk is the website that we will be discussing today, and like I said before, it's a microjob slash freelancing website, and people are actually earning $3 to $500 from this website. This is a legit number. You can look it up yourself, and you can look at this website on Trustpilot as well. It has highly reviews, and it's just a trusted website. So the first thing that you need to do is just create an account. So click on register and sign in with your email and put in a password. Then simply just finish the sign up process. Once you do that, click on login and log in with your account. Alright, now that you have logged into your account, so the first thing that you need to do is just go to profile and finish your public profile information. So click on public profile and finish your profile settings. So put in a picture, a portfolio if you want to actually work as a freelancer on this website. So if you are into writing, you need to put up some samples of what you do. If you do video editing, you need to put up some videos of you editing, and so on and so on. You get the idea. Also update the description of your profile, the languages, and also skills, education, certification, all of that. These are dire in order to actually get clients on this website. This is, like I said, if you want to work as a freelancer on this website. Next thing is just click on your profile, then settings, and go to payment and finish up your payment details. So put in your full name, your bank detail, email, all of that good stuff. You can put up your PayPal, Pioneer, so choose a payment method from here. Same thing can be done for your accounts. Finish up the information for your account, the first name, last name, mobile, tax, all of that. Also, you can do the same for your social media, and so on and so on. So make sure to actually fully customize your profile beforehand. Now we are back on the main page, and as you can see, there's a lot of people doing posting gigs on this website, but like I said, we will have a separate video for posting a gig and actually landing clients on Zeerk. But the first and the most easiest way to earn money from this website is just to actually go and do certain jobs that are already in negotiations. So what that means, there is a tab called requests, so click on it, and in this tab there's people who are offering money for some tasks to be done. So for example, this guy needs some Google Map reviews, and he's paying 0.18 cents, or 18 cents I should say, for each review. So this probably is underwhelming, so let's just look for something else, and let's just take an example. All right, so let's just take a look at this one. For example, this is the budget is $5, and the person is looking for somebody to argue with somebody else, I guess, through chat. But let's just click on it and just see the information. This is just a funny thing to actually look at. As you can see, we shall be sharing a list of topics which you select anyone that suits you. Then we share the details of the opponents with whom you do argue. It's not like a formal debate, just argue like people do on social media. So you get paid to argue. That's just it, and you get $5 to do that. And as you can see, the argument will be for 36 hours. So this is just a funny example on how easy tasks can be on Zeerk, especially when people post stuff like that. Also, there is tasks where you can earn a lot of money. So for example, we have covered WAP on our channel, and as you can see, this guy is just looking for somebody to set up his WAP, and he's paying, or the budget that he's willing to spend is between $100 to $300 in order for that to get done. So you can click on view more to see the details of this request. There's nothing really much to it. And what you can do is just click on contact, and you can contact the person directly. You can talk to them and see if you can secure this job. So I've sent him a message. Hey, I saw your request about setting up a WAP. I'll be glad to get that done for you. And just like that, and wait for a response. Once the client do respond, you can probably secure this job and get money by doing, like I said, simple jobs on Zeerk. Also, let's just take a look at this. For example, this guy is looking for testers to test the functionality of his website. So he needs people to test his website, and he's paying $8 to $11 to do that. So it's just free money at this point. So let's just look this up, and as you can see, he launched a new website, and he's looking for somebody to test the functionality of the website. Yeah, as you can see, it's just very simple. Everybody can do it. Delivery time is in 2 days. You can do the same and contact this person right here. This is the last one that we will just give an example of. As you can see, this guy is looking for a blog owner with 2K monthly traffic. So for example, if you got a website, a blog website, and you do this sort of guest posting thing, you can make money as well. So this person is willing to spend from $10 to $40 in order to actually get a guest post on your website. And the website is just, pretty moderate when it comes to traffic and the AMPA, I assume, because 20K plus is just not really that much. Everybody has a website like that that drives 2K traffic on a monthly basis. So yeah, that's that. If you go back and scroll all the way down, there is endless tasks that you can do. So this is just a way to actually get by and make money on the fly. Like I said, maybe make some capital, then invest it into something else. Like I said, create your own blog, your own website, create a YouTube channel, do something else, invest it in digital products, probably buy those digital products and sell them back. You know the drill. So this is, like I said, a just quick review of Zeerk and how to actually make money from this website. The other way of making money on this website is your typical way of posting gigs, like I said, on any sort of freelancing website. You post a gig and land the client and just earn from that client. But the market is actually saturated, so you need to actually do some research on this website itself in order to actually rank and get some clients. But that needs another video, and we'll save it for another time. So yeah, this was just a quick review of this website and how to actually get money and work on Zeerk. If you found this video helpful, kindly drop a like, comment down below if you have any questions, and yeah, peace out.